In life, we often get confused between what we want and what we actually need. So, there would come a time in your life when you would realize and you would reject all the wants, all the things that you want from life, and you would accept wholeheartedly what you actually need. So, today I'm going to show you one such thing which I actually need rather than what I actually want. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today let me just introduce to you my new motorcycle.